Welcome back, English speakers. This is episode 6. Today, we focus on questions that require simple descriptions of people and places. Your job is to read the answer fast and clearly before the time runs out. If you find this technique useful and want to speak English every day, please subscribe now and hit the like button. Ready? Let's begin. How tall is your best friend? Could you describe your house? What kind of hair does your sister have? How does the weather look today? What is your favorite piece of furniture? How would you describe your personality? What kind of car do you drive? How big is the city where you live? What is your favorite thing to wear? How old is your school building? How would you describe your father? What is the most famous place in your town? How does your favorite food taste? What is the color of your living room walls? How would you describe your voice? What is the biggest difference between your city and a village? How long is your hair? What is a popular tourist attraction near you? How tall is the tallest building you have seen? Could you describe your favorite song? What is the shape of your dining table? How many languages do you speak fluently? How would you describe the streets in your neighborhood? What is the material of your favorite cup? How does your mother look? How is the quality of the public transport in your city? What is the most exciting thing you own? How bright is the light in your room? What is the weather like in the winter where you live? How would you describe a good teacher? What color is the sofa in your house? How fast can you run? How far is the nearest train station from your home? What is the best kind of movie? How would you describe your neighbor's dog? What is the traffic like during the week? What is the most difficult word in English for you? Could you describe the sky right now? How would you describe your clothes today? What is the best feeling in the world? How quiet is your city at night? What kind of weather makes you feel energetic? How expensive is it to live in your city? How would you describe a bad day? How many books do you own? What is the best part of the English language? How easy is it to find good friends? What is the color of your eyes? What is the opposite of easy? How fast can you type on a keyboard? What is the most delicious drink you have tried? How would you describe your school uniform? What is a popular type of food in your country? How big is your television screen? How quiet are the people in your family? What is the most useful item in your kitchen? What is one thing that makes you feel sad? How many rooms are there in your house? What is the best thing about your neighborhood? How would you describe the feeling of being tired? What is your favorite color combination? How strong are you? What is the best part of summer? How is the quality of the internet where you live? What is the shape of your window? How would you describe a good film? What is one thing you think is beautiful? How wide is the main street near your home? What is the opposite of expensive? What is your favorite smell? How bright is the sun right now? What is the best part of learning English? How safe is your neighborhood at night? What is your favorite kind of building architecture? How long is the video you are watching now? What is the material of your favorite shirt? How happy are you right now? Keep practicing this video until you can describe everything instantly. Thank you for watching and keep speaking English. See you next time.